Your fridge isn't just chilling food, it might be watching you. Smart fridges are part of the Internet of Things. They connect to Wi-Fi, track your groceries, suggest recipes. But here's the twist, they also collect data. What you eat, when you open the door, even your voice. And it's not just fridges, smart TVs, lights, speakers are all listening. This isn't sci-fi, it's modern convenience with hidden risks. Hackers can break into poorly secured devices. Your data is valuable to companies and cybercriminals. So double-check your settings. Update your firmware. In a connected world, privacy is power.